Chapter 2. The 7 reports, one at a time, and one question each to keep you honest. Profit and loss. Did we make money this period? Revenue, 8,40,000. Costs and expenses come off, 1,08,000 left. A margin just under 13%. Compare it to last month. Balance sheet. Where do we stand today? 15,20,000 of assets, 7,52,000 owed. 7,68,000 is yours. And March's profit flowed straight into it. Is that figure growing? Cash flow. Where did the money actually go? Opening 3,02,000, closing 2,15,000. Down 87,000 in a month that made a healthy profit. Cash is the fact. Receivables aging. Who owes us and for how long? 4,60,000 in total. But read the buckets, not the total. 1,35,000 is past 60 days. 29%. Old invoices never get younger. Payables. Whom do we owe and when does it fall due? 45,000 already overdue, 1,10,000 due inside the week. Read that beside your cash, never on its own. Purely a scheduling question. GST summary. What do we owe the government? Output tax, 1,51,000, less credit of 89, 62,000 net. Collected money, never earned money. Set it aside today. The general ledger. What exactly happened in this account? Travel looked high, so open it and read by date. A full year of fuel card, 42,000, booked into 1 month. One line explained everything. Next, we turn all 7 of these into a 15-minute monthly habit you can actually keep.